This facility has been abandoned for years. Damage extends across the structure.
Roof integrity compromised. Proceed with caution. Severe internal deterioration. Look at these racks and exposed wires.
The structural damage is extensive.
Electrical buzz is constant. Sparks are a fire risk. Floor debris is hazardous too. The impact cracked this support beam. The fracture runs deep. Noted. I'll log the exact location. Good. Check the adjacent joints for stress. Understood. We'll mark them now. Materials arrive. Trucks are here. Get ready to unload. Back her in. Watch the beams. Pallets first, then the steel. Got it, count. Clear the drop coming. Easy now. Watch the bump ahead. Got it. Slowing down. I'll steady this side. All right, lift on 3. 1. Clear. Set it down. Check this bundle. Insulation shot. Yeah, scorch marks. It's arcing. Get the clamp. We need to isolate it on it. This whole panel looks bad. Okay, tag it. We'll de-energize. Watch the wires up here. Yeah, I see them. Let's clear this section. Careful, don't touch the live ones. Okay, team, we're replacing this overhead light. Confirm power is isolated. Power is off, boss. Handing you the screw. Good. Now strip reconnect the black wire to the hot terminal. Testing switches. Same team, full PPE. Camera wide, environment improving.
Voice testing.
System sound, switch click. Lighting restore. Let's restore this floor. Start filling the cracks.
Okay, applying the mix now.
Got it. Looks good. Smooth it out. This will restore the floor.
Much better.
All right, let's fix these walls. Same team, full PPE. Apply even pressure, fill the cracks completely. Looking good. That corner still needs work. Right, we'll get that next. Apply the coating in even, overlapping strokes. Keep a wet edge to avoid lines. Good. Check the edges near the unfinished sections. Will do. Looks like it's improving. Let's continue wall painting. Even coats, watch for drips. Good. Second coat on this section now. Check your edges. We'll finish this wall today.
The team is connecting these pipes to improve the water system.
Hand me that joint. Here you go.
Next, they install tiles, row by row, for the new floor.
Got it. Okay, tightening this lower joint now. Got it. I'll tape the upper one. Good, the flow is slowing. Tape is on. Looks tight. Good work. All right, team, align the main pipe with the fitting. Steady. Got it. Feel secure. Wrench ready? Good. Tighten it tight. Excellent work. Water system is online. Flow test initiated. Pressure holding. Check the main joint for leaks. Confirmed. Mitening now. Stand clamp. Drip stop. Rechecking pressure. Pressure is stable at 150. Seal this gap first, then check the edge. Got it. This coating is going on smooth. Good. That repair area still needs work. I'll get the foam for it next. Precision work. Sound click.
The intense heat of the arc fuses the metal, building strength. The weld grows, layer by layer, a testament to structural strength.
All right, let's get this section down. Copy that. Watch the sharp edges. Want it. 1, 2. Watch your step. It's heavy. Prepare the base. Scrape the surface clean. Good. Now level the area. All right, team, let's get these small areas spotless. Copy that. Almost done with this patch. Good. Keep it steady. The rest of the floor is still a mess. Understood. Sweeping now. We're applying the epoxy coating now. Full PPE for safety. The liquid flows smoothly, improving the surface finish. Spreading it evenly for a uniform, glossy surface. Halfway done with the store renovation. The team is on schedule and making great work. The final polish begins, enhancing the floor's reflective quality. The machine's hum indicates optimal performance. The team in full PPE ensures a safe, high-quality result. The team applies the epoxy coating, creating a glossy, protective finish. Next, they continue wall painting, covering the remaining areas for a complete restoration. The surface finish is greatly improved, covering the exposed wiring with these panels. The environment is improving with each panel secured. The team works efficiently and safely, install sounds and panel clicks mark progress. This vertical line shows the main stress fracture. And the cross line? Is that a secondary crack? Yes, it's branching. We'll need to reinforce this entire section. Final coat, uniform finish,
Looks even. Same team.
full PPE, almost complete. Final paint sound roller.
Confirmed. Wall is done.
The team begins by positioning the main ventilation ducts for alignment. Precise alignment is key to an efficient air system. Now, securing the sections to improve airflow and reduce noise. Okay, hold it steady right there. The same team improves warehouse efficiency by building sturdy shelving racks. Drilling now, watch precision assembly ensures safety and durability. Ceiling install, sound panel click,
Panels aligned. Ready to lock?
locking it in.
Click. It's secure.
This new counter will speed up checkout. Align the frame for the scanner. Securing the base bolts now. Good. Now for the final connections. Job complete. Let's clear the area.
Copy that. Visibility is clear.
Harness is secured. Moving out. Good work, team. Stay safe. Initiating POS connection. Connection stabilizing. Systems online. Confirmed. All online. Team, final inspection. Stay sharp. Report any issues. Checklist ready. No anomalies yet. Good. Verify all safety barriers. Excellent. Let's finish strong. Final cleaning complete. The floor is now spotless and ready for use. Lights restored. Stocking begins. Team, let's move. Aisle's almost full. Copy that. Middle shelves loading. Bottoms are set. Next box. Okay, team, let's keep filling these shelves. Same organized layout. Got it. Placement sounds are key here. Near complete. Just a few more sections. Good progress. Keep the flow going.
Order restored.
Night operations begin.
This parking area has been fully restored to an organized, efficient state. The clean lines, clear signage, and landscape surroundings create a harmonious environment. A model of modern, restored public space.
Back in business.